What's going on, guys? Got another one done. This is the Kimball Hardwood Strat. He had asked me to make him a guitar. He had some choice tops and a beautiful roasted maple bird's eye neck that is just outstanding to match with some beautiful, I guess, teardrop quilt. This one I wasn't 100% happy with the way the stain came out. I did a dark blue stain, sanded it back, and went back with a light blue. And this is sandwiched between a piece of alder. And for some reason, the alder didn't take the stain all that well. And I didn't like it. And I was sitting on the body for a little bit as I was completing other work. And JGP sent me a note and said, hey, I can do this finish. And I thought that would be perfect to cover up the ugly alder. I posted a video on the body review, I guess a couple weeks ago, and most of you guys had said gold, but I had black pickup cover rings, and I did with the black hardware, and I think that nailed it. Plus, I was using a black string retainer, and I think the color scheme came out really nice. I used crushed turquoise inlays for the neck. I don't know if you guys remember that video from a while ago. Remember, you got to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that bell. That's one of the reasons my videos haven't been doing all that well lately, is I haven't said that. So I'll be saying that in every video. But the turquoise inlays came out beautiful. The one thing I would have liked to have done is sealed the fretboard first, then did the inlays, then, because there's just a slight ring around each one. That's just sort of my personal preference. I bent over the top fully. This was a 1/4-inch piece of wood that I bent over fully. And then the back is beautiful. The die did not want to sit properly in this, and I was really frustrated. It took me a while to get the color scheme right. It's a light blue finish, but we went with a dark blue base, and I think it came out really nice. The wood was just sucking up the stain. I don't know why it was doing that this time. Black control cover cavity. Same thing that happens to you guys happens to me. One of the screws broke as I was going in, and it popped the top. I still got to fix that, but I ended up getting some longer, I don't even know where I found these, but they're blue tinted screws, which actually match the guitar perfectly. The neck, I posted the neck, like I said earlier, a while back. And it's just beautiful. It's got a great feel to it. Roasted maple, a couple coats of finish, and then I buffed it on the buffer. Got it all assembled last weekend, strung it up, let it sit for a while, let that neck adjust, and then I re-leveled the frets last night, and then strung it up and been playing it, and it sounds outstanding. Really great tone. Pickups are, I think, Ken Armstrong Classic 50s, if I recall correctly. So with a side output jack, didn't want to put that in the top, a volume, and a Veritone, which is my custom product, if you guys didn't know. The final buff on this guitar is amazing. It is so smooth, much better than some of the stuff I've been using. But let's plug this sucker in and give you some tone. This is the bridge. Middle and the bridge, middle, that really sounds awesome. Here is the neck and the middle. And then the neck. The finish is beautiful. A couple scratches from me moving it around here and there, but the neck, I love it. It is so smooth. The buff on this, the final finish is just beautiful. Great looking guitar all around. I would have loved to put a custom cavity on, but I didn't think of that till after I had already glued the top on and I couldn't get the top back off. So in honor of this awesome build, we're gonna give away some Kimball tops. 3 tops we're giving away this time. I've got this awesome redwood top from Kimball Hardwoods. I gave away a top like this maybe a year ago, and I haven't gotten through all of this, but this is an outstanding piece of redwood. So comment, like, subscribe. A one-piece Eastern Hard Rock flame maple, 1 piece wide. I think that's 14 inches wide. And then, of course, one of his awesome quilted tops that he gets out of Washington. Look at that. That would look awesome. For some reason, green was the first color that came into my head with this figure pattern. So 3 giveaways. Comment, like, subscribe, click the bell. This is a fun, awesome project. I'll be shipping this out to Mr. Kimball. You guys got a sound clip. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.